Let's see how the TOMi8 interface works. It's an Android system, so you're going to be able to see everything that you see on your Android phone. If you want to reach the settings part, you just need to take it down. You are going to see here all the internet connection, for example, so you can track the possible Wi-Fi connections in the area. There's an airplane mode, there's a Bluetooth, an alarm clock, recording screen, and many other features. Also, some specific features dedicated to choosing the color for your color ring for the harmful noise detection, and some other possibilities. And if you want to reach all the different applications that you may have installed, so it's just a matter of swapping your stylus up like this, and there you go.